Hello everyone and welcome back to yet another WorldWideGlovers Discord tutorial for the PC side of things. I am your host Peter, aka LPD Dubuque, one of the chat moderators, and of course we're just going to jump right into things and I'll show you the very basic things of how to work both text and voice chats and the things you need to know, and a couple of little tips and tricks that you might not know how to do that makes things a little bit easier for everybody. So let's just get right into it. Alrighty everybody, I just want to do a quick synopsis to let you understand pretty much what you need to know when you're navigating through our Discord server on the computer side. So just to go from left to right, as you can see, there are the different servers that you can have on your Discord account, and then of course you have what we call categories, which we have highlighted in this fashion so you guys can tell the difference between a category and what is known as a channel, as you see here. Typically what you will see is either a little hashtag, or if it's a voice channel, you'll see a little speaker thing, as you can certainly see somebody's hanging out right there. In the center you're going to see your text little form thing here, as you can see here with these little ats with here or at everyone. These are what we call mentions. So all you have to do is just type in @ and you'll see all different types of mentions. Not only that, you can also do things like roles. So if you look over here to our right, you'll see all the different members of our lovely Discord family, as you can see here. And of course, you have different types of roles that you can choose. You can choose chat moderators, content creators, server boosters, so on and so forth. We'll actually go more into detail on our community engagement tutorial when it comes to that and the levels and all that stuff. So coming into looking at our categories, you can choose one. So let's go with just general chat. Look, it opened and expanded, showing you all the different types of chats that we have here. Wow. Not only that, you can choose any of these that gives you tutorials, hence why we have labeled them in these fashions, and so on and so forth. Now to do a simple search in this server, you can pretty much come over here to the top right corner and just click right in here. And it will give you search options that you can do. You can check for users. You can also look for links, embeds, or files, and specific dates, during times, after times. You can pretty much sort things through at this point. Now when it comes to joining a voice channel, it is simple as just coming over here and clicking on one of these. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to click here and turn on my camera. Hello. Not only that, you will see all these different things right here. So you also have mute, unmute.
Oh, thanks, man.
Want to check our pin messages? You check up here. Want to mute a channel? Choose the channel, right click it, hit mute channel for as long as you want to do it. Want to clear a bunch of messages out that you don't want to see anymore? Right click on the icon and mark as read. And alright, I hope that is everything you guys need to know. If you guys have any questions, do not hesitate to mention me. I did show you how to do it in this video, so please do not hesitate to do so. If you need any more questions or any more guidance, I will help you out the best way I can. But please be a little bit patient with me if I do not immediately respond. I do have a lot of things going on my plate right now. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope to see you guys in the next one.